We're in the process of organizing a journey to Nepal. The objective of this trip is to go and do volunteer work and to do some relief work, specifically in Kathmandu and the village of Bhaktapur. As you may know, after the recent earthquakes in Nepal, a lot of help is needed there. So we've put together this program to be a 10-day program. We work directly with the Nepalese embassy in Pretoria, and we also have very good contacts in Kathmandu that we deal with. Our main contacts in Kathmandu are on the Nepal Trekking Association committees, so we're very well connected. The objective of this journey is to go and do volunteer work to help rebuild temples and ancient buildings, also to teach English at some of the English at the local schools, to do some sports activities. Because the help that is needed is not only to actually rebuild physically the country, but also to show a visible concern and to actually go and chat to the people and interact with them and show them that we actually care.
There were some concerns whether it is safe to visit Nepal after earthquake or not. I'd like to assure all prospective visitors that visiting Nepal is completely and totally safe, and I really would like to encourage visitors from South Africa to visit Nepal as usual, as there is no any security threat, or there is no any hassles to their health. And in fact, we would like to encourage to prospective visitors to come to Nepal to help in rebuilding of our country. And as a matter of fact, tourism is one of the important sectors of Nepal's economy, and it really helps when our friends and visitors visit our country and contribute to some extent to rebuild our country. And the people of Nepal are very much eager to welcome their guests around the world. They are very friendly people, as you know. They are very welcoming people, and they are very much eager. They are ready after an earthquake. The people have already started to live a very normal life. There is no security or health threat as such, and I would like to assure all people and prospective visitors, friends in South Africa, and would like to encourage them to visit Nepal.
They've reported up to 95% cancellation in tourism figures for the period up to September. So this hecticness thing that has struck Nepal is devastating. There are many businesses out of work. They need people to pitch up and come and help, not only with rebuilding the place, but also by just being tourists. They really need our assistance. His Excellency, I just want to thank you for the warmth and the open attitude that the Nepalese people, that you personally and the Nepalese people always receive us. It is always so refreshing and so amazing when South Africans visit Nepal to see how friendly the people are and how glad they are for us being there, and it's really, really special. It's humbling. You know, Nepal is not a rich country, but it's very rich in its culture and in its attitude, and we learn so much, and we have so much to learn from the Nepalese people, and it's really humbling. And I want to just thank you for making it easy to visit Nepal. Thank you very much.
Thank you.